Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my favorite subscription box ever, and that is FabFitFun. And that means that spring is right around the corner. This is the Spring 2019 box, and it is beautiful, and I'm so ready for spring. Okay, so let me tell you guys how FabFitFun works before we get into this beautiful little spring box here. It is a seasonal subscription, so you pay $49.99 a season, so 4 times a year you'll be paying that. And then if you want to, you can do a year membership in advance, and that is $179.99. And with that you get like year membership benefits. You get to choose more of your items in the box. If you're seasonal, you get to pick like 3, I think it is. And then if you're a yearly membership, you get to pick like 5 products or so. Woo! So pretty. I love the vibes. They're like a desert vibe, kind of like Arizona or something like that. I love Arizona myself, so that's pretty cool. And it says FabFitFun Spring 2019. Okay, so I got my magazine right here. This tells you everything that's inside, all the prices, all the different items that you could have gotten. And it also gives you like fun little recipes or like tips and tricks with other beauty products. So I will be looking at this after I look at my box because I don't want to see what's inside yet. So I'm gonna put this down for now. All right, so my box looks like it had a little bit of a rough ride from the post office, but it's still pretty enough. It's a little beat up though, more than normal. It says share to win FabFitFun, has like a little flower on top. So let's get into this. Okay, so this is a cute little robe. It is so pretty, and I just love bathrobes and just like that pretty vibe it gives. So this is called Show Me Your Moo Moo, and it's like a floral print, and it feels like a nice cotton material. So this is kind of like what it looks like. It's really cute, it has a belt. Okay, so that's really cute. I'm excited to try this on. Okay, next item. So we got a water bottle. Who doesn't love a good water bottle? I sure love having a million water bottles. This is a sip water bottle. These are at Target, and I always go past them. They're always so cute, but they are a little on the pricey side, so I'm super happy to get one in my FabFitFun box. That's what I love about FabFitFun, because you get like really nice high quality items that you might have wanted but you didn't get yourself. So the next item I got is the Tula Probiotic Skincare Face Cleanser, and this is a really nice brand. I just recently got a mask from this brand and I'm really enjoying it. Yeah, so another face cleanser, it's always nice to have. Okay, so let's get our next item out. And this is the Coors Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Facial. And this is something that you put on at nighttime, and it's like a sleeping like moisturizer slash like mask. And I'm sure it's gonna be really nice. I am interested to see if this smells like hardcore roses, because I'm not a huge fan of like the rose smell. So let's see what this smells like. Ooh, that smells so good. Let's see what it feels like too. It smells really good. Definitely doesn't smell like roses. It smells more like a floral, like sweet smell. Oh yeah, that's good. And it's very light. So if you're sensitive, like I am, I'm sensitive to smells. I don't like things to be too overpowering, and this smells perfect, like just the right amount of scent. And it feels amazing too. Like I just put it on and it already like sunk into my skin, and it just feels really soft. Next little item in my box. This is the Way Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner Spray. Ooh, I'm excited about this. I know this brand. I have gotten samples of it before. I think it was like the sea salt spray and I really liked it. So I am looking forward to trying this out. Thank you, FabFitFun. So this one is Dr. Brandt, and this is called Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I don't really have a lot of puffiness in my eyes, but I do have like dark circles sometimes. So whatever help I can get with that, I'm guessing this isn't gonna hurt. Yeah, so let's get this out and see what this little guy looks like. Ooh, it's just a little black package here. And cool, I'll definitely be using this. What is this? Okay, so I got a Tristique matte color and shiny lip balm crayon, and this is in the color Tuscan Wine, and it's like a lip crayon on this side. And it has a magnetic cap, that's cool. And then a lip balm on that side. So I have received this item in my FabFitFun before, which is a little on the strange side. So I'm kind of wondering what that's all about, but whatever, I don't care, I'm not complaining. I'll probably pass this along because it's not really like a shade that I'm gonna be wearing, but it's a good brand, so I don't mind that. Ooh, what is this? Oh yes. I just like the packaging. I don't even know what this is yet. This is called Relax Champagne Charcoal Scrub, and it buffs away dead skin cells and absorbs excess oils to reveal balanced and moisturized skin. Oh my gosh, it smells like candy, which is like my favorite thing, so A+. Okay, so that is everything in my FabFitFun spring box. Let's look at the magazine and see all the prices from everything that I got in my box. This is like the item rundown that you could get in your boxes. Then we just got some stories. I always enjoy looking at this, it's always kind of fun. Alright, so that is everything I got in my box. And yeah, I think it was a really great spring box for sure, and I'm really excited about all the products that I got. The only thing that I wasn't super duper excited about was the lip balm / lip crayon, but that's only because it's not a color that I like to wear myself. So I'm just gonna pass that along to somebody, and everything else is great. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not currently subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you. I have so many things planned for this channel, and I really appreciate everybody that subscribes. So yeah, I will see you guys next time, and you guys have a great day. Thank you. Bye.